Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home. And today, before we get started on the video, I have to just tell you a couple of things. First of all, welcoming all the new subscribers. We are going to be 10,500 I think by end of the day, and it gives me immense happiness that in a matter of a week I have gained 500 subscribers. With all your support, with all the comments that you guys are leaving behind, don't forget to do that even after watching this video. Okay, so let's just get started, and let me just tell you a couple of things that I have been wanting to tell you. So last year I started building up a brain teaser book, which is going in printing now. It took me a lot of time to work and to come up with the theme and work with the designer. There were many hurdles that I faced, but I think it was totally worth it. By the time the book was ready, I was already being pushed by a lot of people to give me the handmade books, which I was doing already. So while I was making that handmade book for Vivaan for over the years, last October, September, I started making those books for kids around in US. And from October to now, I have sold 100 handmade books, and I am extremely happy. I love when parents keep telling me that can you make books on this topic. Just sharing this with you guys because this is all the kind of love and affection and encouragement that you gave it to me, and it made me realize that yes, I can try and share. I'm not teaching, I'm just trying to share the material that I use with Vivaan with other kids if they want to try it out. And it has been such a great success. I can't wait to get the actual book out. I'm stuck because the printers are closed, so the book is not coming. It's not printing at the moment, but it's gonna start printing very soon. I'm working on 2 more projects with It Starts at Home itself, so you will be hearing a lot about that as well. So now coming for today, there's a special book that I've made. It's a brain teaser book, and it's completely sticker based. Something that I did in May. The sticker based activities I think was such a hit that I got like back-to-back many printable orders and a lot of book orders. So I am sharing that one book that I have done, and many copies went out this month for this particular book. So guys, this was that book is very close to my heart because I think it was like pushing myself also to try and determine how I can like engage kids more, how without writing sometimes you can still like be you can do analytical thinking, you can still do logical reasoning, and I think that's been amazing. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you the main book of brain teaser that I've made for kids. I generally drop out these books outside the house in an envelope after cleaning it and after using utmost precautions that I can. And a lot of times I'm just sending out printables as per kids or parents' request, but sometimes the printables are not that appealing to all kind of kids, and they really definitely love having books. So I feel very happy when parents come back and tell me that can we have a brain teaser book for our child. And I'm lucky and blessed that I have a lot of people around me who keep coming back and keep asking me for books, and it makes me happy. Before I get started, I am just hoping that every one of you and your family, everybody's doing fine. You guys are all healthy, all fine. You're all keeping yourself safe and your family members all right. I'm just keeping everybody in prayer so that we can all send out positive vibes to each other. And I hope all these things get over and the kids can go back to play. People can go back to work, and we can go and meet our families as soon as we can. Okay, so before I open the book, just one more thing guys. If you love the content and if you still haven't subscribed my channel, you have to go and press the subscribe button. Please press the bell icon. It'll be great. You will get the notifications as soon as I upload a video. Also, if you have family and friends who are looking for good content and who are looking for stuff that they can do with their kids, with the stuff that we use at home, and you know, like we always use stuff at home, stuff from the house. So I think this is the best way that you can promote and help me in getting my channel out and going there. Okay, so let me open the book quickly. Okay, so this is a pocket which has all the stickers. So because this child, this month's theme was basically stickers, so that's what I've done. I've created individualized and personalized activities using the kids' names so that they are more involved and they know that this is what they're doing. So the first activity is make a same one below, use stickers to recreate it. So I have used one of the child's name here and there, and one child has created, and because she's learning how to design, so this book is all gonna be she's learning how to design. So this is going to be Gabby's design. She needs to recreate what Giles has created. Okay, replicate the design on the right side just the way Miss T has made. So Miss T has made some designs here. There are two versions, and now they need to replicate the design the same way. So remember guys, if you think that this is a very easy activity for a 7-year-old, let me just tell you, no, it's not. Because first I am using a small size of graph. So picking up a sticker from here and placing it right in the center for a 7-year-old is not perfect, but this is what we're going to work on: fine motor skills, at the same time building up logical thinking, reasoning, and we build on the concentration level. So and then they need to look at each cell that they're putting, and then the color combinations that they need to match and place here. The next one is create a mirror image here. I have already done half of the example for her, and I've shown how exactly the mirror imaging can be done. I have used a bigger square here just because the design is big, and in each square there are like two stickers that I've placed. Color board for new color launch. So there's a new color, this is a color board, and there's some new colors that are launching in. So the person needs, or the designer needs, 2 new sets. So the child has to recreate by looking at the jumbled up stickers, which she has right here. So the idea is that every time she needs, she can just pick up one of these and she can finish up one set of activity. And there's a lot more. I've given a lot of extra stickers to her so that even if she wants to initiate making her own design, she can. So she needs to replicate right here. Now there is left and right are all same, but just right hand side is there, left hand side just ran away or it's missing. She needs to put it together so that they all look identical and same. Now there's a new artist in town, and that's his new creation. Okay, and now he is challenging the young kids to create their version upside down. Okay, so what's on top goes on bottom, the bottom goes on top. They flip places too. So I have marked all the 4 things, and I was just thinking it might be very confusing for the child, so I went ahead and I wrote from bottom right it comes to top left, and then top left it goes to bottom right here. So I'm sorry if you can see it right now. Yes, so I have given 2 indications, and I've also pasted 3 stickers for her to just know the placement after looking at this. Okay, look at the design board below created by Gabby. So this is what Gabby has created. And someone tried recreating it. Okay, so Gabby created this and someone tried recreating her design, but Gabby needs to check if the person who has redesigned what she has done, has the person done it injustice. She needs to check. Now it is very intense. When I was making it only, I was thinking it's very intense, but that's what I wanted, a little challenge also. In one of the activities that you sit down, you need to come back to a book, definitely, because everything cannot be very easy, everything cannot be difficult. So whenever I'm designing a book, I make sure that I have all these things in my mind, and I try and break it into parts and pieces, and I place it in the book. So she needs to really deeply look into one by one and see what's missing where, and then she needs to finish up the design. Okay, the 2 designs are a part of one theme. So there are 2 designs. This is an interconnected activity. So Miss Liz just made the middle row, and Mr. Chang made top and bottom. So what can we do? However, the 2 artists were not able to complete their work. Can you help them in completing their work? They will be delighted. So what they need to do, she needs to get these 2 right here, and this one is going to go right here. So like this, both the 2 designs are going to be complete, and both the designers are going to be very happy. Okay, use the stickers, create your 2 versions for NYC and SFO. New York, and San Francisco, make sure you use colors only that are below. Examples, 2 yellow and green. So what I've done here, I've given her a set of colors and set of number of pieces that she can use. But she has 3 panels and 3 panels here. She can only use, like I've written 2 yellows. So there are 2 yellows here. She can only use 2 yellow for both of them. So like 1 or 2 just here, then no yellow here. So she needs to make sure that which one is she using. And I think it's going to be super interesting because I never told her to fill up the whole thing. I've told her to use the same number. Okay, so here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've given her 5 columns here, and here there are in total 6. So I think that's going to be challenging too. Mr. Chi would like you to create a window pane design similar to the love one. So that's a window pane that the name is love, and Mr. Chi wants the window pane just like this, but using the same color. Okay, not the same design. So you just need to use the same color, but you can use the same design as per your own wish, and you need to design it. All right, so this is like flip flap, and let me see. I think you can see it now. Flip flap, Mr. P and Miss P and Miss R. Miss P and R want to interchange place. Miss R would like to be at Miss P's place. Example is done here. So they are interchanging place. Okay. The colors are same. It's just Miss R is going to be at place of Miss P, and Miss P's sticker, pink sticker, is going to be at place of Miss R. So that's what I have exactly shown in terms of 2 samples that she could try it out. That's it, and there in the end she needs to create her own design, and that's it, guys. What do you guys think about the book? And if you really think this book was a hit and you think it was like out of the box, give me a big thumbs up. Do not forget to leave a comment, because those comments really help my videos, and YouTube is like always checking that if people are commenting, they think that the content is being liked, and they keep telling me to promote my subscribers or viewers, to tell them that if you like something, please leave a comment. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. I hope everybody stays safe. Thank you, guys. So if you like the book, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.